Bibs. We swap the bibs line every week. We'll wash it. You got no washing machine?
I ain't got one either.
We should go this week. How do you not have a washing machine, bruv? I believe Farhan, but I don't believe you.
We should do man of the match. We should do man of the match.
Watch the game, man. They're gonna moan at me.
Hey, get back over there, yeah?
The guys just missing play.
I'm taking the camera footage for that.
Lucky to get a draw, man.
Everything was bad. There wasn't one thing that we did good.
We done well against yellows though. 2-0. The game we won 2-0 while we just played it.
Blacks just sit back. Yeah.
That's what I would say, low block. Low block, man.
What was your dad saying about can't put it on the group? What did he talk about? Early on when he came in. Oh, Liverpool. What do you mean? That was a bust to me, man. Right, Chris, you got the bibs, so that means that you're going to get a game next week. If you take the bibs, you get the game.
What do you mean game?
Like you get your name on the list.
That was crazy. What if we win?
Then you got your name on the list anyway. Oh, Lolo, come on, man!
Oh, hit it, it's opened up! Hit it!
Oh, lovely, Khalid. I tell you what.
I think Max deserves man of the match today. I'm not gonna lie. He's had some really good goals. And he played well.
I don't know about Freddie played well in
Freddie
defence.
was good.
played well in defence.
Freddie was good.
But Max deserves goal of the match.
Definitely. Yeah. That's a goal of the match.
I think I deserve save for the match. I would have been goalie.
Rusty, innit? I came out a bit. I don't know why. I came out to get it.
I've got tackled on that.
Come on, yellows! Do we want yellows to win? Do we want yellows to win?
Yeah, we don't want black.
Come on, Abs! I want to see the animal in you, Abs. Yeah.
He's nervous. He's trembling. The best goalie that we have.
Where's he gone?
Hey, get off the pitch. Get off the pitch.
Ready? Sorry, do me a favour, please. Can you put the balls away, please? In the bag, in the ball bag. Thank you. Omar, when I'm away in 2 weeks, you're gonna have to run this, yeah? With
Farhad, yeah?
Yeah, with Farhad. Yeah, but he becomes a lullu, he forgets some shit. I still have to get involved.
Hey, carry him out, bro. Hey, black ball. Play him inside.
What's going on with all the work, man? All that pile of sand and shit.
They're doing something, aren't they? I think they might be relaying this with the sand, isn't it? We're gonna have to cut this footage now. It's raining.
Yeah.
You need to take it off.
Get off. There's nothing to see here anyway.